Il est roux. Ah, roux. Tu es sûr? Tu es sûr? Oh. Ja, mor kan rigtig godt lide dig, ikke også? Ja, hun kan så. Ja, det er så hyggeligt, når du snakker sådan. Ja, det er så hyggeligt. Du snakker så til mor. Ja, ja, hvad? Hvad er du fortæller? Hvad, har du savnet din mor? Har du savnet din mor? Hvad? Ja, det tror jeg lidt, du har. Jamen, jeg har også savnet dig. Ja, jeg har også savnet dig.
Science tells us clearly that bonding goes from the cradle to the grave. Staying close to a protective loved one is the main survival strategy of our species. We can now look at pivotal moments in the dance we call bonding in infancy and romantic love and pinpoint the core moves in the emotional dance that defines so much of our lives and our happiness. This drama has just 5 basic moves. We reach, invite connection. If we don't get a response, we protest and push, or we turn away and shut down to protect ourselves from rejection. We finally go into meltdown. In a good relationship, we find a way to turn back and reconnect. If we love, we will do anything we can to get a response from our loved one.
Some of you have seen how this drama pans out in a YouTube video my lab released a few years ago called The Still Face. In it, we see the powerful impact a simple lack of emotional response has on a child and the emotional gymnastics the child goes through to try to deal with this lost connection. We need loving contact like oxygen. We really do not have many ways to deal with the pain of disconnection at any age. In the still face experiment, what the mother did was she sits down and she's playing with her baby who's about a year of age.
I'm my girl. Oh.
And she gives a greeting to the baby gives a greeting back to her.
Yeah.
This baby starts pointing at different places in the world, and the mother's trying to engage her and play with her. They're working to coordinate their emotions and their intentions, what they want to do in the world. And that's really what the baby is used to. And then we ask the mother to not respond to the baby. The baby very quickly picks up on this, and then she uses all of her abilities to try and get the mother back. She smiles at the mother. She points because she's used to the mother looking where she points. The baby puts both hands up in front of her and says, "What's happening here?" She makes that screechy sound at the mother, like, "Come on, why aren't we doing this?" Even in this 2 minutes, when they don't get the normal reaction, they react with negative emotions, they turn away, they feel the stress of it, they actually may lose control of their posture because of the stress that they're experiencing.
Okay. I'm here. And what are you doing? Oh, yes. Oh, what a big girl.
It's a little like the good, the bad, and the ugly. The good is that normal stuff that goes on, that we all do with our kids. The bad is when something bad happens, but the infant can overcome it. After all, when you stop the still face, the mother and the baby start to play again. The ugly is when you don't give the child any chance to get back to the good. there's no reparation, and they're stuck in that really ugly situation.
Vi skal begynne, vi skal begynne. Gå og hente mappen, gå og hente mappen, gå og hente mappen.
Fra siden til siden. Kjenn. Kjenn. Oi, ferdig med å ringe. Hva skal vi nå? Sving. Å ja. Sving. 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 Det er du som svinger mine armer. Sving. Armen. Og du. Du. Flott. Og jeg. Sving. Og du. Og jeg. Er kinnene hen? Hvor er dine kinn? Dine kinn. Og mine kinn. Tenk at vi skal klappe. Vi skal klappe på mine kinn, dine kinn. Mine kinn, dine kinn. Og mine. Så kan vi se på. Ja. Ja, flott. Ja, bra.
Nå skal vi bevege tærne. Bevege tærne.
Hvor er tærne dine? Der er de.
På knærne.
Hvor er knærne hen?
På knærne.
Jeg stikker opp her, så vi kan bøye ut, Kristin. Bøye og strikke til.